This is my homemade open crank engine. Made it out of a Briggs & Stratton 3 horsepower horizontal shaft engine. Basically just flipped it on its side and cut open the crankcase here. I did leave this little section in to help support the cam bearing, just so it'll have an angle and it'll be stronger. It's got an older style flywheel on it with more cooling fins because there's no shroud on it, so that helps cool it better. There's no really lubrication system on it at the moment. The piston is lubricated by a hole in the valve chamber. You see there. So that's that. So ignition system is powered by an automotive coil. It's running off the original points. Cylinder wall is scored really bad in this. That's why I decided to cut it open. So it's got really low compression. And also, the problem with this thing is, not sure if you can really see this, there's a whole lot of play in this bushing. So yeah, it's got a homemade mixer on it. Just made this out of pipe fittings. I tapped the intake for a 1/2-inch pipe thread and made this little concoction here. This is basically to prime it. Just fill that with the gas. You hook your gas tank fuel line to here, and then this is to control the fuel, and then that goes in there, and this is basically your choke. And also this, it sucks in air through here too, so even if you have this fully closed, it'll still get air in it. This thing does run. It doesn't want to run very slowly, and I don't have a permanent gas tank set up for it yet, so it doesn't really run that well, but I will make a video of it running once I get it perfected. So yeah, that's my homemade open crank engine. Eventually I'm going to put another flywheel on this side too. So I put a lawnmower crankshaft in it, which has a thicker shaft. So I'll probably end up putting like a bicycle wheel or something on it, and it'll hopefully idle even slower.